The company's culture during the internship, I found it very welcoming from the different operators we were with. They were all willing to teach us, we were asking questions and they were out there teaching us different things from their experience there and from prior experience as well. One of the fun activities I got to do during the internship was being at the fire and rescue training, learning how to hoist people down in case they get hurt up in the units. Being there, that was a great experience doing with everybody. Advice I would give a process technician intern would be, you have to be coachable, you have to be willing to learn from the different experience from everybody else, and retaining the different information you're getting. There's a lot going on, you're there for many hours, you just have to stay busy always. Since I started the internship, I do have an idea of what I want to do. I enjoy being an operator, working with everybody else there as a team. It was a great experience this summer.